What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this steam port vent that I got off of Amazon. I've read a lot of mixed reviews about it. Just not real sure. I didn't have one at all, so I figured it's worth a shot. If we like it, we will be putting a link in the description. If we don't, well, I'll tell you that it's trash. My first impression is that it's kind of cheaply made, it looks like. It is all AN fitting, and then I suppose it's 8th MPT. It did not come with any sort of directions. That is definitely a negative in my opinion. It also did not come with the gaskets. Luckily, I have some, but you know, it's just one of those things where that is definitely not, I mean, and don't get me wrong, this thing was only like 40 bucks, so it's not like I spent a ton of money on this thing. But if you're gonna sell something as a complete kit, you should probably, you know, make it a complete kit. So after a lot of persuasiveness with this tubing, actually rebending one completely, I've made it work. Now let's see if the intake will clear it. All right, there it is. This is just a Gen 3 truck intake. It's gonna clear. Man, it's gonna be tight though, but it'll clear. We're gonna use it. Hope like crap it doesn't leak. So, summary is, I guess kind of use this kit at your own risk. It does look nice. It offers zero advantages over a factory steam port kit. However, this one only had the front crossover. I don't like that. I feel like it leaves hot spots. So, we're going to try it, see if it leaks. Like I said, buy it at your own risk, but it does look cool.